Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a small business owner, a cafe manager, or even someone running a retail chain, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into Odoo POS, the point of sale system that integrates with Odoo's full suite of business management tools. This is not just a surface level walkthrough. We're going to explore the entire theoretical framework behind how Odoo POS works, its features, how it connects with your broader business operations, and only at the very end, we'll cover how to sign up and get started. Whether you're completely new to Odoo or you've heard the name before, by the end of this video, you'll understand why it's becoming one of the most powerful tools for business that want an all in one solution. So, Odoo POS is a cloud based point of sale system that helps you handle in person sales. It's built to be fast, reliable, and most importantly, fully integrated with other critical parts of your business like inventory, accounting, and customer management. The system is part of the Odoo ERP suite, which means it's not a standalone solution. Instead, it's one piece of a larger puzzle that helps businesses manage operations from a single dashboard. So, what makes Odoo different is that it doesn't just let you ring up sales and bring receipts, it connects that sales data in real time to other parts of your company, like stock levels, financial reports, CRM records, and even employee time tracking. So, when you make a sale at the POS, you're not just completing a transaction, you're automatically updating every backend record that matters. The interconnectedness is what gives Odoo a real advantage over other POS systems that only handle transactions and leave the rest of the work to you or your accountant. So let's look at the core engine behind Odoo POS. When you open the POS module from your Odoo dashboard, you're launching a lightweight web-based terminal that operates through your browser. You can run it on desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or even a dedicated POS touchscreen system. The interface is designed to be extremely responsive, and every action from tapping on a product to processing a payment is optimized for speed. But what's happening in the background is even more important. Every time you perform a task, whether it's adding a customer to a sale, applying a discount, or processing a refund, that data gets recorded instantly and sent to other parts of the system. So your inventory levels are adjusted, your accounting entries are updated, your sales reports are refreshed, and if you have enabled CRM integration, your customer profile gets smarter. You're not managing isolated apps anymore. You're running one unified system where all business data flows seamlessly in real time. Odoo POS offers all the standard features you'd expect from a high quality POS system, but it does them with depth and flexibility. For starters, you can create an unlimited number of products and organize them into categories and subcategories. Each product can have its own barcode, price, text rules, and even variants. So if you're selling t-shirts in different sizes and colors, you can set that up easily. The sales screen is minimal but powerful. When a customer comes to pay, you simply tap the items they want, adjust quantities if needed, apply any discounts, and then choose the payment method. You can accept cash, credit, or debit cards, mobile payments like Apple Pay or Google Pay, gift vouchers, or even allow split payments between methods. All of this happens without leaving the main POS screen. So, one standout feature is offline mode. If your internet goes down, Odoo POS keeps running. It will continue processing sales locally and then sync the data back to the cloud when the connection is restored. That means your business never stops, even if your Wi Fi does. And then there's customer management. You can search for customers by name, phone number, or email and assign them to transaction. Their purchase history is logged in their profile, which allows you to offer targeted promotions, loyalty points, or personalized service. This data also connects with the CRM and marketing applications if you want to run follow up campaigns later. Reporting is another major strength. Odoo POS tracks every detail of every sale. You can run reports by products, category, salesperson, date, range, or location. You can see which products are your top performers, how much cash was healed by each staff member, and how many sales were made using gift cards versus credit cards. So, if you're running a restaurant or cafe, Auto POS has a completely different interface tailored to your needs. This restaurant mode includes a table management screen that lets you design your dining area with tables and zones. Each table can have its own order. You can assign waiters to tables, split bills by guests, and transfer orders between tables. Orders can be sent directly to kitchen or bar printers in real time. So, the moment a waiter taps send to kitchen, the chef sees the order on their ticket. You can also manage menus based on time of day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and happy hour menus can be scheduled to appear at certain times, making it easier for your staff to upsell or switch offerings. Modifiers and notes are easy to apply too. If someone wants a burger with no onions or an extra side of ketchup, you can add that in seconds. Now let's talk about integration because this is where Odoo becomes much more than just a POS. Every transaction you process through Auto POS automatically flows into your accounting module. That means all your sales, tax calculations, and payment records are logged and reconciled in your financial reports. You don't have to wait until your financial reports, you don't have to wait until the end of the month to send data to your accountant. Everything is already there. Inventory management is also tightly integrated. When you sell an item, your stock level drops in real time. If your product runs out, you can set up automated reordering rules so that the new stock is requested from your supplier automatically. The CRM module lets you use purchase data to understand customer behavior, follow up with your offers, and even assign sales opportunities to your team. The marketing app allows you to segment your audience and send them emails, coupons, or text messages based on their past orders. We can also integrate Odoo's employee module to manage staff shifts, permissions, and sale performance. You can even set up security rules to prevent unauthorized discounts or refunds. Odoo POS is hardware agnostic, which means it doesn't force you to use specific devices. You can use any modern barcode scanner, cash drawer, receipt printer, or tablet. However, Odoo also offers an IoT box that makes connecting hardware even easier. It acts as a bridge between your devices and the POS software. If you need even more flexibility, Odoo Studio allows you to customize the interface without writing code. You can add new fields, buttons, workflows, or even entire app if your business needs something unique. And Odoo POS is ideal for a variety of business types. If you're running a retail store, it gives you inventory control, fast checkouts, and employee tracking. If you operate a cafe or restaurant, you will benefit from its table management and menu customization tool. And if you manage multiple locations, Odoo make it easy to sync data across all your stores and monitor performance from one dashboard. It's also a great option for business that are growing and want to avoid software bloat because you can start with just POS and then add modules like inventory, accounting, or CRM later. You can also pay for what you need. So let me show you how you can create an account. So you can simply click on try it for free and you'll be redirected to another interface where you gotta simply type in your email. So you can type in your first name, your company name, your email, your phone number, your country, language, company size, and primary interest, and simply click on start now. Let us just head over and just give a pricing review. So Odoo follows a modular pricing model. This means you pay based on the apps you activate and the number of users. The POS app itself can be tried for free during a trial period, and if you're using Odoo's online hosting, it includes updates and cloud backups. There's also a self-hosted version if you prefer more control and want to install Odoo on your own server. This is ideal for business with in-house IT teams or those that need heavy customization. So that's it for today's video. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.